boy. Kasi all three of them are supporting World Vision. I love World Vision. I currently have 36 scholars with World Vision. Ha? Hindi, kasi that's my promise. Every year, every birthday. So next year, I'll make it 37.
One child every year.
Dinadagdag ko, yeah.
Yes. Christian Bautista, Merry Christmas. Good morning.
Merry Christmas and good morning sa inyo po lahat. Merry Christmas.
Precious Lara Tigawan, good morning.
Good morning po. Good morning, everyone.
Sam, Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas po. Good morning po.
How did you get involved with World Vision?
Yung auntie ko po, one Christmas also, Christmas time, parang sabi sa akin, you know what? Aayan ko ano ang the best Christmas gift na pwedeng mabigay mo to someone else is to sponsor a child. Tapos sabi ko, what's this all about? Meron siyang nire-represent nga na company called World Vision. At yun nga po ay pwede kang tumulong sa isang academics ng isang bata
In the
good for 1 year. Yeah.
Yes.
And of your choice. And just by paying a small amount, makakasupport ka ng one child.
That's World Vision.
That's World Vision.
Kasi di ba, boy, dapat talaga mag-invest tayo sa edukasyon ng kabataan.
Naniniwala ako.
So, yung gustong-gusto ka, and you know, what's so wonderful, I read a lot of Christian spirituality books, and yung women of faith, yung mga favorite ko rin kinukot, World Vision din ang sinusupport ng ministry nila. So, they have all these seminars all over the States, and a portion of the proceeds from those weekend seminars binibigay nila sa World Vision. Kaya ang saya. So, ang World Vision pala, world talaga, worldwide.
That's right. How'd you get involved?
When I won Miss International po, someone came up to me, invited me sa World Vision head office. They wanted me to be parang the spokesperson, but there was some problem with Binibining Pilipinas. But after that, I started sponsoring 3 children po for them. Kasi na-meet ko rin yung mga ibang bata who were victims of child labor.
Ang sarap ng feeling na nakakatulong sa mga bata. Child labor, victims. Okay. Sam, ikaw?
I came to know World Vision po nung 2 years ago through our church. Actually, my mom po yung una nag-sponsor ng child. And now, a year ago, nag-sponsor na po ako ng isang child. 10-year-old boy.
It starts there. I think ang sinasabi ni Chris kasi na kailangan tayo lahat, we're all stakeholders dito sa ating bansa. But I think itong project, katulad ng World Vision, it takes some patience, no? I mean, we may not be able to solve certain problems immediately now. Pero pag nag-invest tayo sa edukasyon, imagine 20 years from now, 15 years from now. Kayo yung mga anghel sa mga bata sa World Vision. Dahil mga angels ang ating pinag-uusapan. Sino naman ang kinukonsider niyo mga angels sa inyong buhay? Ikaw, Christian.
Ako sa tingin ko yung family ko. Yung family ko talaga, they're always there for me. I can be myself. Kahit malayo ako, tapos may problema, pupuntahan nila ako yan. At lagi sila talagang willing to really step out of their comfort zones and help me.
Just to be with you.
Angels, marami po akong angels sa buhay ko, which is why I'm really thankful to God for all those angels. Syempre, family ko, they're all my angels kasi nga katulad sabi ni Christian, they're there to support me talaga kahit ano pa yung nangyayari sa buhay ko. And yung mga best friends ko siguro, I really consider them my angels.
Ilan ang best friends mo?
I have 2 best friends.
Sarap.
That's nice, yeah.
Sam, ikaw.
Ganun din po, family and friends were always there to support yung mga lagi pong nandyan na pwede nyo kausapin, na angels.
Okay, nariyan na tayo. Pero halimbawa, pag binabalikan nyo ang inyong buhay, di ba there's certain specific incidents sa ating buhay na nangyari and someone was there who did you something good. Pag yung halimbawa tinawag nating angel, sino yung pangalan na unang pumapasok?
Ako, di ba parati ko vocal ako, sinasabi ko si Joel Austin, si Joyce Meyer at yung Women of Faith, ang angels ng buhay ko. Kasi nung down na down ako talaga, I started reading their books. I continue to do it until now. And parang, nabigyan talaga ng tamang focus at guidance ang buhay ko. I mean, I go to church regularly, I attend mass, but iba talaga, boy, when you have a personal relationship na nagbabasa ka talaga at nadideepen yung awareness mo of God's love and kindness.
That conversation.
So kahit di ko sila kilala, di nila ako kilala, ang daming mga taong nakilala na sila sa Pilipinas dahil sa pagbabanggit ko sa kanila.
At may relasyon. Kayo, ikaw, Sam. I mean, going back, sino yung anghel ng buhay mo?
One specific person.
One specific
It
person.
could have been one who gave you the break. It could have been one who discovered you while you were singing. It could have been one na sugatan ka at nagsabing, iyo, halika, tutulungan kita. Sino yon?
Medyo mahirap pong to think of just one. Kasi
talaga?
marami po talagang tumutulong sa atin.
Lara, ikaw?
Meron man pong point na gano'n.
Siguro specific person, yung best friend ko since high school, Ivy Reyes.
Ivy. Bakit si Ivy?
Kasi when I came back from Bahrain to the Philippines, sobrang wala akong kilala. And I was a very, very shy child before. Talagang, I didn't have anyone to talk to, you know, I was alone during recess and lunchtime.
And she was there.
And she was there.
That's right. Christian, ikaw.
Ako po si Jo Bautista, my mom. So, bata pa ako, hindi niya ako pinabayaan. Hanggang ngayon, kahit na I'm parang an artista, hindi pa rin niya pinapakalimot sa akin, hey, I'm your mom. Okay? Tapos, she's always been an angel.
Ikaw.
Aside from you.
Oh, aside from me. Kasi sabihin naman nila, naku,
Yan
si
na
Boy,
naman,
si
dalawang
Chris.
yan na naman.
Oo, wala talaga sila ibang kaibigan, kundi sila lang. O, ikaw, wala ka. Sino yung angel sa buhay
Si Bong.
mo? Hindi.
Maliban
Iba
yan.
pa. Isip ka. And wag na yung mama mo, iba pa doon.
Friend.
Kahit hindi friend, kahit yung parang
Ay,
nag-inspirasyon sa'yo.
magmamaya Angelo ako.
Hindi, baka your tita Conching.
May tita Concheng, Sunico.
Di ba?
Yes, that's true.
Ano ba? Ako ba nakaalala para sa'yo, boy?
Thank you, Chrissy. Thank you. Yes.
Oo, di ba siya?
Yes.
Kasi parang siya yung
Yes.
kaya ka naging...
Everything
Oo.
I am today, maliban po doon sa aking ina, ay nanggaling yung lakas ng loob ko, yung walang takot na pagsubok sa mga bagay na hindi ko alam, pagpasok sa mga mundo na madilim pero exciting. Natutunan ko lang ko yan lahat kay Tita Conching Sunico. Do you know that Tita Conching is a great-grand aunt of Tessa Prieto?
Yes, I do know.
Yeah, you do know?
Because you said about the house, remember?
Right, right. Thank you. I really
Weirdo ako talaga.
You are
Ako
my
yung-
angel
Kasi
because
ako
you
yung nakakaalala para sa'yo. I
Oh.
have to say thank you to Karen Davila. It was because of her.
Of her.
Yeah, I saw a billboard of her and I saw a feature she did on them and that's why naging supporter ako. It's been 5 years and I've been very blessed.
You know, it's really amazing how one person can touch another one and another one touching another one. Di ba yung ipagpatuloy yung
Like
touching
paying it
lives?
forward.
We really have to take care of one another. Totoo yun. Sa mga
Maraming
sponsors na sumusuporta po sa concert na ito, maraming
Thank
salamat.
you very, very
Aren't you singing? Lara, you're not singing.
Baka wala pong ma-raise na fans.
Thank you to the
Maraming
three of
salamat.
you.
Yes,
Thank you.
maraming salamat rin.
They're sharing up themselves, di ba? Yun
That's
ang
right.
pinaka-importante talaga. We're going to meet more angels sa pagbabalik lang yan ng
Boy!
and Chris!